Too late, hun. I'm already dead. If you try to kill me again, we'll just try. We thought you were dead. Not alive dead. Oh, poor Shadow, you're so wrong. Darkness, how are you still alive? I'm not darkness, hon. I'm death. But there's one thing I want to tell you.
It's time that you understand. Don't ever count on anybody else or any other land. I once looked for friendship to find a place among my kind, but those were the childish wishes of someone who was blind. Open up your eyes. Get wise, come now, open up your eyes. You'll start with simple, naive trust. Shoot it from the many ways that life's not fair or just. But then there comes a moment, a simple truth that you must face. If you depend on others, you'll never find your place. And as you take that first step upon a path that's all your own, you see it all so clearly. The best way to survive is all alone. Open up your eyes. See the world from where I stand. Me among the mighty, you caged at my command. Open up your eyes and behold the fading light. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, everyone. Open up your eyes.
So foolish of you to think I'm... I love the way you're acting right now. It's very stubborn. You know, stubborn people aren't on my good list. They're kind of dead already. And you, where's Cartoon Vinny? I'll get revenge on her as soon as she walks in the room. So better get her now. My other friend's enemies are waiting for her. They don't like company. So this little girl right here is dead. Oh well.